Okay, hi, this is Mark Freed, and this is your daily mixology lesson to help us all get through the coronavirus crisis. As I always like to say, alcohol kills the virus, so I advise you to drink liberally. So today, we're going to make a drink called an Abbey, spelled like a place where a medieval monk would live. And that's a drink served up in a cocktail glass. So the first thing you want to do is put a little ice and water in your cocktail glass, and you'll pour that out when the drink's ready. And that way your glass will be nice and chilled. Of course, you can keep your glasses in the freezer too if you have a big enough freezer. So the Abbey's primary spirit is gin. Any gin will do. Creme de maraschino, generally sold like this as Luxardo. I don't know any other brands, and this has only been around since 1821, so you should be able to find it in your local liquor store. Very common. And dry vermouth. This is a California dry vermouth called Trincherry, but again, any dry vermouth is fine. Orange juice. Fresh orange juice would be better, but in time of war, we must make sacrifices. And Angostura bitters. Okay, so I've got my mixing jug, and let's see, the ratio is 4 parts gin. Well, let's start with 4 parts gin. Okay. Might make it a little bigger. Make myself a big one today. Okay, here's the gin. And 3 parts orange juice. Okay, a little bit long on the orange juice. 2 parts creme de maraschino, Luxardo. This is quite sweet. If you want to make your own maraschino cherries, just get a bottle of this. Get some cherries when they are in the grocery store. Put them all in a bottle and leave them there for a while. A couple weeks later, you have maraschino cherries, and they'll last you most of the year. And 1 part dry vermouth, probably to offset the sweetness of the creme de maraschino. And finally, 4 drops, oops, that was easily 4 drops, of Angostura bitters. Shake it up. And if you're wondering why we're not just using, well, they're not going to have ice. This one's served up, but you want to drain it. You don't want the ice in there. Empty cocktail glass. Very nice color. Sort of a little pinky orange. An Abbey. Salud.